Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
I'm very happy to see you again in this a bit rainy, drizzling, rintik-rintik. Yeah, it's drizzling today, but I hope it will not reduce your spirit to learn English today. Okay, so today's topic, it will be about future perfect tense. Have you heard that before? No, I think you have heard that before. Yeah. So let me share the screen. I'm going to share the screen. Here is the screen. All right, so I'm going to invite all students to be involved. Ya, saya nanti mengharapkan semua siswa bisa ikut aktif ya dalam pembelajaran ini ya. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah. So today's topic is future perfect tense. What is future perfect tense? Now, before we start further, here are the learning objective of our topic today. First, students, or you will be able to identify the structure of future perfect tense. Jadi kamu nanti, you know how to, what is the structure of future perfect tense. When you find a sentence, so you know you can recognize this is future perfect tense. And then the second is you will be able to mengidentifikasi the use of future perfect tense. What is the use? Kegunaan future perfect tense itu apa? When do we use future perfect tense? And then the third is to differentiate the present, the past, and the future perfect tenses. Okay, guys, we have learned how many tenses we learned already? Udah berapa tense yang kita pelajari? 3 udah ya? 3. Apa aja tuh? What are those 3? Future perfect tense,
Continuous,
a future tense. Nah, yang berkenaan ini tadi future tense. Kita belajar future ya. Future tense, future continuous ya.
Future continuous.
Okay, future tense and future perfect. Yeah, future perfect. So this is not in. Okay, so this is not the topic or the purpose. But the purpose is to differentiate the present future tense, future perfect tense, and future continuous tense. Okay, and then the last, you will be able to use future perfect tense in a complete sentence. So, jadi itu adalah tujuan pembelajaran kita. Kita sudah belajar 3, future tense, future continuous tense, and now is future perfect tense. Okay, now I would like to invite 2 students, please, who will be a volunteer, would like to be a volunteer in reading this short conversation. I need 2 students. Saya butuh 2 siswa nih. So who is willing to be the first speaker, and then who will be the second speaker? Okay, let's go. Siapa ini? Yuk. Salsabil. Okay, Salsabil will be the first ya. Salsabil will be the first, and who will be the second?
I'm sir.
Okay, Ripaldi will be the second. Okay, let's start then. Ya, yang lain bisa mendengarkannya. Please listen carefully. Ya, okay. Ya, guys, please start. Silakan dimulai. Salsabil.
I'm sorry, where's the text? I can't see.
Sorry? Can you see the slide?
I can't.
You can't see the slide.
I can't see the slide, sir.
Other students, and what about other students? Can you see the slide?
no sir.
No, sir.
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
It's clear here.
Where is the conversation? You cannot see.
Nggak kelihatan?
Masih di slide pertama nih, Sir.
Iya, iya.
Masih di slide pertama, Sir.
Loh, kok gitu ya? Sekarang udah berubah?
Belum, Sir.
Belum, Sir.
Oke, coba saya stop share-nya lagi. Saya ulang ya. Let me repeat it ya. Kelihatan?
Belum.
Belum?
Still not.
Belum. Yang pertama.
Masih menit.
Sekarang? Belum kelihatan juga? Bisa terlihat nggak?
Udah, Sir, tapi masih slide yang pertama.
Oke, slide yang pertama.
Oke, Sir.
Oke. Sekarang udah berubah? Sudah?
Udah, Sir.
Udah,
Udah,
Sir.
Sir.
Nggak bisa dibesarkan ya.
Nah, oke.
Oke, can you start now?
Okay, so
Oke.
Oh, sorry. I pressed wrong button. Sekarang bisa?
Sudah, Sir.
Oke, yes. Can you start now?
Oke.
Nggak bisa full ya.
Dari Haimed. Bill.
Okay, yes, Sabil, can you start now? Yes, please.
yes, sir. Hi, mate. What's up? How's your project going on? When will you have finished it?
I will have finished it until the owner pays the drawing. It needs a long process to draw and make a concept for those buildings.
Okay, thank you, Sabil and Ripaldi. Hi, mate. What's up? Ya, do you know what ini WhatsApp? Ya, ini kayak umum ya digunakan ya. So it's very common to say, "What's up, bro? What's up?" Ya, you can say "What's up" when you meet your "Hey, man, what's up?" Ya, apa kabar? Tapi secara informal ya, in informal way. Saya tidak bisa memperbesar screen saya, kenapa nggak tahu nih? Tidak bisa diperbesar. Something wrong, I think. Okay, let me repeat once again. Bisa dilihat?
Belum, Sir.
Udah, Sir.
Bisa nih, besar kan? Full screen or not? Is it full screen?
Yes,
Screen.
yes.
Okay,
Full
very good.
screen.
Okay, let's do it. What's up? Ya, what's up nih? This is informal ya, but it's okay. You can use that ya. When you meet someone, ketika kalian ketemu kawan kalian, hey, what's up, bro? What's up? Ya, how's your project going? Ya, how is your project going? Ya, when will you have finished it? Then I will have finished it until the owner pays the drawing. It needs a long process to draw and make a concept for this building. Okay, so here, can you find future perfect tense in this short conversation or short dialogue? Ada nggak kira-kira kalian temukan di sini future perfect tense?
When will you?
Initiated until the owner pays the drawing.
Yang mana? Yang mana? Which one?
When will you
I
have
will
finished?
have initiated until the owner pays the drawing.
Okay, that's correct. Yeah, I will have finished it until the owner pays the drawing. Ada lagi anything else?
When
When
will
will
you
you-
have finished it?
Yeah, okay, correct. Yeah, when will you have finished it? Yeah, so there are two, right? There are two sample examples of future perfect tense here. Okay, now can you when you are writing future perfect tense, kira-kira apa yang harus kalian masukkan di situ? What must you have there? Yang paling menentukan that sentence is future perfect tense, kira-kira menggunakan apa?
Subject, modal, have,
Subject, modal,
Have.
ada have,
have or has.
have or have. Kita menggunakan has nggak di sini? Do we
Tidak.
need to use has?
We have
No.
used have
No.
when
Yeah, no, we don't use has here. Ya, kenapa kita nggak menggunakan has? Why don't we use have? Because, karena sudah ada will nih, sudah ada modal, jadi nggak butuh lagi has. Have-nya nggak dirubah menjadi has, tapi cuma have saja. You got it? Ya, jadi karena sudah ada will di sini, jadi have-nya tidak berubah menjadi has. Nah, don't forget ya, perfect-nya itu menunjukkan yang mana perfect tense-nya itu?
three.
Verb
Three.
3-nya finished ya, the third verb ya, the third verb. Jadi itu kombinasi, this is the combination of future perfect tense. Itu kira-kira kombinasi dari tenses apa coba?
Present perfect tense and future tense.
Correct, very good. Yeah, that is the combination of future tense and present perfect tense. Jadi kombinasikan dia, digabung, we combine it together, become one sentence. Ya, so that's why we use will and then we use have finished there, have and then verb 3. Ya, oke, very good Ripaldi. Yang lain bisa nih ya, yang lain ada gambaran nggak nih? Bisa ya, ngikuti ya. Nah, nanti mungkin akan lebih jelas lagi kalau kita sudah lihat ininya polanya nanti. Oke, let's go to the next ya. Nah, so next is the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is express action. Now, when do we use future perfect tense? Kapan sih digunakan future perfect tense itu? It used in the future ya, to express an action in the future. So we are not talking about an action now. Yeah, no, not now, not in the past, but in the future. Before another action in the future. To express an action in the future before another action in the future. Maksudnya gimana tuh? Ya, membicarakan tentang sesuatu yang terjadi di masa yang akan datang dan sesuatu itu sudah terjadi sebelum kejadian berikutnya itu terjadi. Okay, so let's see the sample. Here is the example. The train will leave the station at 9 a.m. Yeah, for example, you are going from Medan to Sergei, for example. Yeah, you are planning to go from Medan to Sergei. What time is your train? Your train will leave the station at 9 a.m. Jadwalnya itu kereta apinya itu mau berangkat jam 9. Belum berangkat ini ya, tapi kita membicarakan sesuatu yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang. Nah, rencananya jadwalnya itu jam 9 pagi itu berangkat. The train. So you will arrive at the station at 9:15 a.m. Jadi kamu berangkatnya, you arrive at the station 9:15. Jadi kalau misalkan kamu nyampenya jam 9:15 nanti, kira-kira kamu ketinggalan kereta api apa enggak? Ketinggalan ya, kereta apinya udah berangkat apa belum? Udah berangkat ya, so the train already left. Nah, kamu ketinggalan. When you arrive, the train will have left. Nah, so di sini kita menggunakan future perfect tense. So when you arrive, the train will have left. Okay. Nah, so again, I repeat once again. The schedule of your train is 9 a.m. The schedule of your train is 9 a.m. And then you will arrive at the station at 9:15. So what will happen? Okay, so we can say the train will have Ya, the train will have left when you arrive. The train will have left when you arrive. Jadi trennya itu akan sudah berangkat ketika kamu sampai di situ. Bisa?
Bisa.
Bisa dipahami? Yang lain bisa dipahami?
Bisa, Sir.
Ya,
Bisa,
jadi
Sir.
kita menggambarkan sesuatu itu di masa yang akan datang sudah terjadi. Ya, ketika kejadian lain terjadi. Jadi ada dua kejadian sih ya. There are two actions here. Kamu nyampe ke station and the train sudah berangkat. Nah, yang mana duluan terjadi? Nah, itulah yang mempunyai present, future, perfect tense ya. Sedangkan kata yang sebagai ya pekerjaan yang kedua itu dia menjadi present tense. Ya, maka kita menggunakan di sini when ya, when you arrive is a present tense. The train will have left, that is future perfect tense. Nah, itu menggambarkan bahwasanya kejadian di masa yang akan datang itu sudah terjadi ya ketika kejadian yang kedua itu terjadi. That is in bahasa Indonesia ya. The train will have left when you arrive. The train will have left when you arrive. Nah, sini train leaves at 9 a.m. and then you arrive at 9:15. Berarti kamu ketinggalan ya. Yang mana duluan terjadi nih? Train leave or you arrive? Train leave ya. Maka train leave-nya inilah yang kamu yang ubah menjadi future perfect tense. Sedangkan yang ini dia tetap menjadi present tense. Oke, nah jadinya kalimatnya seperti ini. So the sentence becomes the train will have left when you arrive. Yeah, you got it? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna give you another example here. Nanti malam itu ya, nanti malam itu bapak saya akan tiba itu jam 10. Jam 10 malam bapak saya tiba. Terus saya tidurnya jam 9. Okay, and then I will translate into English. I sleep at 9. My father come home at 10. Oke, coba bisa digabung nggak? I repeat once again. I go to bed or I sleep at I go to bed. Ya, kita pakai I go to bed aja lah ya. I go to bed at 9. My father comes home at 10 o'clock. Coba digabung itu. Can you?
I will.
Okay, Ripaldi, please.
I will sleep to bed at 9 p.m. My father comes 10 p.m.
Jadi kalau digabung jadi bagaimana? Kalau dirubah if you change that into future perfect tense, coba gimana jadinya? Ya.
When my father come home, I will have slept.
Okay, very good ya, Ripaldi, that is correct ya. Where I will have slept, atau bisa juga seperti ini ya. I will have slept or I will have gone to bed when my father comes home. Okay, I repeat once again. I will have slept atau or I will have gone to bed. I will have gone to bed when my father comes home. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Ya, bisa dipahami ya. Yang lainnya gimana nih? Yang 45 orang bisa paham kan nih?
Yes, sir.
Oke, saya coba nih. I'm gonna try ya. Saya akan pilih random ini ya. I'm gonna pick you randomly, secara random ini ya. Get ready ya. Semuanya siap ya? Get ready. Saya akan membacakan. I'm gonna give you the sentences two actions in the future. Ya, saya kasih nanti 2 kejadian di masa yang akan datang. Then what you have to do is to combine these 2 sentences into one using future perfect tense. Okay, I'm gonna pick Pratama Putra. Are you there, Pratama Putra? Pratama mana Pratama nih? Pratama, can you hear me, Pratama Putra? Mana nih Pratama Putra? Halo, Pratama Putra, are you there? Ini saya nilai ya. I'm gonna give you the score everyone. Ya, karena ada penilaian sikap ini ya. Keaktifan kalian juga dinilai nih. Ya, jadi kalau kalian semakin aktif, skor kalian juga bertambah. Ini dinilai ya, semua sikap, siapa yang aktif, yang siapa yang tidak pernah ngomong.
Pak, maaf
itu
Pak,
nanti ada
saya
nilainya.
sakit Pak.
Gimana?
Saya sakit Pak, mohon itu ya Pak. Dengarkan aja saya Pak.
Gimana?
Saya sakit Pak.
Oh, kamu sakit? Oh.
Iya, tapi saya dengarkan aja ya Pak.
Oh gitu. Oke. Ya, tapi kamu paham ya? You understand? Bisa nggak dipahami?
Iya saja lah. Bisa Pak, nanti saya ulang lagi di itu Pak. Di itu, Pak.
Oke. So I'm gonna pick other student then. Ya, coba yang lain ya. Rifdan Ali Hamzah. Coba mana Rifdan? Rifdan, can you hear me, Rifdan? Mana Rifdan? Rifdan, are you there? Rifdan, are you there, Rifdan? Oke, ya saya ulangi lagi nih ya. Jadi keaktifan kalian, nilai kalian itu diambil tidak hanya dari tugas kalian yang kalian kerjakan, kuis atau ujian, tapi keaktifan kalian juga ketika kalian aktif dalam pembelajaran itu juga ada nilainya. Ada penilaian sikap, itu namanya penilaian ya sikap ya, dan keterampilan. Keterampilan itu dibagi ya, ada sikap, ada 3 ya, ada 3 itu. Pengetahuan, sikap. Oke, coba yang lainnya. Tadi siapa tadi?
Saya Sir, tapi contohnya beda Sir.
Gimana? Oke, Syahrul. Oke, Syahrul. Ya, Syahrul.
I shall have done my work.
Oke, repeat once again. Coba lagi, ulangi.
I will have done my work.
I will have done my work. Oke, very good. Oke, coba saya kasih ya. I'm gonna give you the case. Ya. Saya kasih ini aja. Nanti kalian yang yang menggabungkan. You combine these 2 sentences and then you have to use future perfect tense. Oke? Are you ready? Siap?
Ready, sir.
Oke.
Yes.
Nanti ini ya kan the class finish or end berakhir ya. Oh, finish aja lah ya. The class finish at 10 o'clock. Ya, the class finish at 10 o'clock. Ini kan lagi hujan ini. And the rain stop at 10:30. Okay, you got it? Understand? The English class finish at 10 o'clock. Ini kan lagi hujan ini, tapi perkiraannya the rain stop. Oke, the rain stop 9:30. Oke. The rain stop 9:30 and the class finish at 10 o'clock. Nah, you have to combine these 2 sentences into one and then you got to use future perfect tense. Bisa? Siapa yang bisa? Who will answer?
Saya Sir.
Oke, Salsabil ya. Salsabil. Coba Salsabil.
When the rain stop, the class will have finished.
Okay, very good, Salsabil. When the rain stop, the class will have finished. Yang mana duluan? Yang mana kelas duluan? Yang mana duluan terjadi? Saya tadi bilang.
I'm sorry, that was wrong.
Bisa diulangi lagi, Salsabil? Can you repeat once again?
Okay. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem.
When the class finished, the rain will have stopped.
Repeat once again.
When the class finished, the rain will have stopped.
Okay, or you can say the rain will have stopped when the class finish. Okay, that's very good. Ya, or you can bisa dibalik juga. Jadi jawabannya adalah when the rain will have stopped when the class finish. Ya, finished or finishes. Finishes ya, tambahkan es di situ ya. Bukan, kita nggak menggunakan ed di finishnya, tapi kita menggunakan present tense. I repeat once again. The rain will have stopped. Yeah, the rain will have stopped when the class finish or when the class ends. Yeah. Okay. So, well, students, can you understand?
Yes,
Bisa,
sir.
yang lain paham ya? Yang lain paham nggak nih?
Paham, sir.
Paham ya, Sahrul ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so well actually we still have a lot slides here, okay? Masih ada slide-nya banyak sebenarnya, tapi kita masih membicarakan satu slide ini. But it's okay ya. Lebih baik paham dulu daripada nanti kita terus tapi belum paham, okay? So the rest we will continue in the next meeting. So we have 13. We have studied for 30. We have studied for 30 minutes already, and the time is up ya. Sayangnya, unfortunately the time is up ya. Jadi waktunya udah habis, sudah 30 menit nih. So we will continue. Ya, the next slide we will continue that in the next meeting. Jadi masih banyak nih slide-nya nih ya. So, ya, masih banyak slide yang harus kita bahas, but because of the time, so we will carry on. We will continue next meeting. Tapi coba ya yang belum paham atau misalkan you are still confused, you can write something in our discussion, ya, and then you can ask me, or you can ask me directly, langsung bisa nanya ya, Pak, atau melalui WA, Pak, saya kok belum paham yang ini, so I can explain that through WA ya, through WhatsApp, okay? Okay, guys.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So we will continue in the next meeting. Thank you for joining the class, and I hope there will be more students later on, okay? Right, so we have to close our lesson by reciting Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you and have a nice day. When you still have class, don't leave. You still have next class. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi